No matter what you see on the news, no matter how worried people get, I've got good news. And that is, this is the best time ever, if you've ever considered starting a home-based business, to start. Then, you can work from home. If unemployment goes up, you're self-employed. The key is you have to know what home-based businesses actually work in the current world we find ourselves in. I mean, a lot's changed in the last month. So for the last 5 years, I've trained over 1 million people how to launch a home-based business. Different ideas. Not everyone's the same. People have different interests. So I've built up the largest paid online business training program of any individual person. I'm an entrepreneur myself. You may have seen me in the news recently buying big companies. I bought a company called Dress Barn in October, a $700 million revenue company. Might have seen me in the New York Post recently. At my very heart and soul, I'm an entrepreneur that started by building simple home-based businesses. So here's what I've decided to do. I put a poll on Twitter and I said, what would you like me to help with now? What would you like to learn from me? And people said, how to start a home-based business. So if you click the link below, you got less than 7 days. A whole variety of programs. In fact, this is 14 different home-based business training courses that I've built over the past years and make them available for one price. If you were to buy these separately, it's over $5,000 to have bought them. I'm gonna make them available at over 70% off, all of them, and you can begin. And these businesses are all businesses that can be built from home with very little capital, without investors, without a college degree, without a business license. One day, maybe you'll look back and say, this time of crisis was one of the most important times of my life. It actually pushed me to do something I've been procrastinating. So click the link below.